Whether you are talking about a swarm of bees buzzing around, a cluster of butterflies sucking down nectar, or a nest of cockroaches hidden in the corner of your house, insects are plentiful. They are really plentiful. It has long been recognized and documented that insects are the most diverse group of organisms, meaning that the number of species of insects are more than any other group. In the world, some 900,000 different kinds of living insects are known. This representation approximates 80% of the world's species. The exact number of insects is really unknown. Today, we are watching some of those insects very closely.